Hey everyone, I hope everyone's been staying safe at home during this worldwide pandemic. As you all may know, the CDC has suggested that we wear masks or any type of covering for our faces when we go outside. Due to the shortage of masks, we want to save them for those in need. Right now, I'm going to teach you how to make your own paper face mask using household items. So without further ado, let's get started. Here are the materials that we're going to use to make our facial mask. So first off, we're going to get our paper towel ready, and we're just going to use about two blocks of these paper towels. So we're just going to fold it over that line and then peel it off like so, and we're done. Get 2 rubber bands, and that's all you need. Scotch tape. Here we're going to use 2 pairs of scissors. This one is sharper, we're going to use it to cut strings, and then this one we're going to use to cut the aluminum can. Here we're going to prepare some of our string. This is just some regular string that I saved from the bakery boxes, but honestly you can use any type of string that you have at home. So we're going to measure out about 12 inches or feet of string, and then we're going to double that and then cut it like so. So here we have a regular aluminum can that I saved from Coca-Cola. It's a regular soda can. So we're just going to cut it open like so. And then now we're going to push one part down, and then we're going to cut about 1/2 centimeters of its rim for our facial mask. So now we're going to take our aluminum strip, and then we're going to cut about 5 inches of it. And here are all of our materials prepared. Now we're going to take our paper towel and fold it in half like so. And then we're going to fold it in half vertically and push it down to make sure that there's a crease. Then we're going to take one of the edges and fold it up like so. It's about the same size as the one on top, and we're going to do the same for both sides. Now we're going to take our paper towel with the internal side facing up and then fold it up horizontally. Then we're going to take the top half, fold it back down, and then we're going to flip it and then fold it back down. Now you want to repeat the previous steps until you have 3 folds in the middle, each about 1 centimeter wide. And just in case the previous steps weren't too clear, here is a close-up of the same steps again. Now we're going to take some tape, and then we're going to tape down the folds that we had made previously. Make sure that there's some tape left on the side so that you can fold it over and push back down. Now repeat the same steps for the other side. Now we're going to take our aluminum strip and then we're going to tape it on to whichever side that you want to be on the top. I'm going to choose the side that has more space. We're going to take a long piece of tape and then tape it down. You want to make sure that the aluminum strip is secure. Use as much tape as you need. Now you're going to take the piece of string and then wrap it over the rubber band on one side. We're going to take some tape You don't need too much for this one. And then we're going to wrap it over the edge of the piece of string to secure it. And then you want to do the same for the other side. Wrap the string over the rubber band, and then take a piece of tape and wrap it over. And make sure that when you're done, the rubber band is movable in the middle for adjustment. Now repeat so that you have two of the same pieces. Now you want to tape those two strings onto the mask. We're going to take about 2 inches of string. We're going to tape it. We want 1/2 of the tape on the front and 1/2 on the back to secure it. Now fold the loose ends over and then tape it over again. Now you want to repeat the same steps for the other end, like so. Now take a pair of scissors and cut off the loose ends. Now repeat the same steps for the other side. And just in case you don't have strings available or it was too complicated, here's another way that you can make your facial mask. So just flip over a corner on the edge of your face mask and then attach a piece of rubber band. Then tie a knot with another one and then repeat the same on the bottom side. And then repeat on the other side with the same steps and you're done. Studies have shown that the virus lives on paper for about 24 hours, so you can reuse these masks after sealing them tightly in a plastic bag for about a day.